Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. I couldn't resist buying these. I'm going to have to get rid of them again fairly quickly. They're both bump and go toys, but they're loud. I don't know why they make them so loud. This one was missing a wheel. I've just put that gold coloured one on there just to balance it. You ready for this? We'll assume that's all it does. And the other one's just as bad. Oh dear. It doesn't run quite as well. Right, okay, well they both work, they both came from a charity shop, both came from Blue Cross charity shop for pets I think. That one was £1.45, this one £1.25. I'll either have to get rid of them or hide them up in the loft. Far too noisy. Sky Whale. I don't know if it's got a manufacturer's name on it. Don't see one. And this one, Military. Nope, don't see a manufacturer's name on that one either. Noisy, noisy, noisy. Great fun.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.